Discover 3 captivating ways to start your financial journey and hook your audience from the very first second. These 3 hook strategies will capture attention instantly and keep viewers engaged throughout your entire financial content. The first hook uses powerful statistics to immediately grab attention and make the problem feel urgent and real. 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. This staggering number instantly connects with most viewers' personal reality. Start with, did you know 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? That means nearly 8 out of 10 people are just one emergency away from financial crisis. If you are watching this video right now, you are probably one of them. But here is the powerful truth. It does not have to be this way. The background music vibe should be determined and urgent, creating a sense that change is both necessary and possible. The second hook takes a deeply empathetic approach, directly acknowledging the emotional weight of financial struggle. This hook speaks directly to the guilt and shame that many people feel about their financial situation, validating their experience. Start with the guilt you feel every single time you check your bank account. That deep shame when you cannot afford something your kids really want? The guilt is not just emotional, it is financial too. It is costing you sleep, damaging your relationships, and stealing your future. This approach moves from guilt to acknowledgement, to hope, creating an emotional journey in just 30 seconds. The background music should be reflective and empathetic, like a gentle piano or soft strings that validate the viewer's emotions. The third hook immediately challenges common misconceptions, creating curiosity and breaking down mental barriers. This visual represents destroying common myths that hold people back from taking action on their finances. Start with, you think you need a 6-figure salary to start saving money? That is the biggest lie the financial industry has ever told you. The real truth? You can start building actual wealth on any income level. It is not about how much money you make. It is about what you actually keep and grow. This diagram shows that regardless of income level, anyone can start saving and building wealth with the right strategies. The background music should be suspenseful and bold, with dramatic percussion that builds anticipation and energy. Now let us compare all 3 hooks side by side to see which one might work best for your content. Each hook targets a different psychological trigger: data-driven urgency, emotional validation, or challenging false beliefs. Hook 1 works best for data-driven, logical audiences who respond to hard facts and statistics. Hook 2 deeply connects with emotionally aware viewers who are seeking validation and understanding. Hook 3 powerfully attracts skeptics who naturally distrust mainstream financial advice and want alternative approaches. Here is how to implement these hooks effectively in your actual video content. Follow this 4-step process. Choose your hook based on your audience, record passionate audio, add supporting visuals, then test and refine based on engagement metrics. Always test different hooks with small audience segments first before committing to one approach. Carefully monitor watch time in the first 30 seconds to measure which hook is most effective at retaining viewers. Let us summarize how to choose the right hook for your financial content. Match your hook style to your target audience psychology and what motivates them most. Use statistics and data for credibility-focused viewers who value facts and research. Use emotional acknowledgement for relationship-building content, where trust is paramount. Use myth-busting for contrarian or skeptical audiences who question conventional wisdom. With the right hook, your financial content will capture attention, build trust, and keep viewers engaged throughout the entire journey to financial freedom.